Hi, just a very quick one from me because I've started doing some planning for the 52 circles, or as it says there, citizels. So that's quite interesting, isn't it, really, that Anne has just now decided that she can't spell. There we go, circles. So a few add-ons. So as I've mentioned, I'm going to be working on 5cm discs, and I was talking about padding them, and I was going to use wadding, but I've discovered that cotton pads are a fairly similar size. They're not much different. They're probably a tiny bit bigger, but it means that when I put it on, it'll wrap around the edge, and that'll give it a little bit of padding. So that'll make my life a little bit easier. Rather than cutting out loads of bits of cotton wadding, I can just use some of these. So that's one of the things. Then the other thing I'm very excited about is quite a few people have asked me whether or not we can do something three-dimensional. So I was trying to work out what to do. And then I've seen loads of things with people using dryer balls and working into those. I've done a pebble that I've got downstairs that I'm busy working on and stitching on, which might inspire maybe one of the weeks that we do. So I had a look, and you can actually get dryer balls that are 5cm in diameter. So you can get them. I'll pop a link somewhere. I've got 6 of them. I'm going to cut them in half, and they're going to attach to the disc, and then I'm going to work on them. So because there's 6, which will give me 12 halves, the first circle of each month is going to be something that's three-dimensional. So I'm quite excited about that. I was busy thinking like, oh, should we do them all? But then that means buying more of them, and you don't need that in your life. You don't have to go 3D, because whatever I decide to do 3D, you can still do flat as well. But for those people that wanted to do something just a little bit different, like I say, I'll pop a link in as to where I got these from. But these are just a couple of extra little bits and pieces I've got ready for January. Quite excited. I'll see you soon.